Danny is walking into a cave, but it isn't a real cave. It is just the shadow of our tree, and we are just using movie magic to use it as he found a cave.
As I walk, I look. And I also turn, and I do count an even number of birds. Yep. 2, 4, 6.
But what this bird here, Gold Danny? We see a huge old-looking bird.
That bird is quite old and odd. And I only count even birds. So let's not count it. And Dad, be old and odd. Bud! So that's not me count my dog Danny. Hey, old bird, did you say your name was Cam? My name is Cam.
Then Gold Danny shoots the bird because it's talking and he's terrified of it. Then Gold Danny leaves, and it's like he counted every bird in the city.